Welcome to Reliable World. I am Dr. Ashok Kumar, going to explain editing or common errors. It is our 13th part of editing. This means that so far we have already released 12 videos on this topic, editing or common errors. Dear students and gentlemen, if you have not subscribed our channel Reliable World, then please first of all subscribe and press the bell icon so that different educational videos and other videos can reach first of all up to you. Now question number 31. It's an informal letter, room number 210, Nilmani Hotel, Delhi University, Delhi, 10 July 2001. Now salutation. Dear Mama, I hope this letter will end all your misery. It is wrong. In place of it, worries can take place. So all your worries about me. Misery is a wrong word, and worries is the answer, correct word. Next, I have question number B. No difficult in the hostel. It is wrong. No difficult, not. No difficulty. So no difficult is an error and correction is no difficulty. I have no difficulty in the hostel. The days of initial introduction are over. Everybody is, question number C, being a fine time here. Everybody is being a fine time here. Being is a wrong word, and in place of it, having. Everybody is having means enjoying a fine time here. I have a very fine girl as my roommate. We live like sisters. So next, the food is good. It is not much different from what I, question number D, fed at home. What I fed at home. Fed is a wrong word, means it's an error, and correction is ate. What I ate. मैं जो घर पर खाती थी वही उसी टाइप का खाना हॉस्टल में भी मिल रहा है. There is a greatest variety. So greatest is a wrong word. So a great variety is the correct answer, not greatest variety. So greatest is an error and correction is great. A great variety. There is a great variety. The dining hall is clean and spacious. Our warden taken good care of each of us. Our warden takes good care of each of us. There is providing for both outdoor and indoor sports. Providing is a wrong word. There is provision can take place. There is provision for both outdoor and indoor sports. I take part in them regularly. Please do not worry to me. प्लीज डू नॉट वरी टू मी, नो, डू नॉट वरी अबाउट मी, मेरे बारे में चिंता मत कीजिए, मुझे चिंतित नहीं कीजिए, नहीं, प्लीज डू नॉट वरी अबाउट मी, मेरे बारे में चिंता मत कीजिए, मैं अच्छा से रह रही हूँ. विथ लव, योर लविंग डॉटर अंकिता. नाउ वी हैव टू फिनिश क्वेश्चन नंबर 32. It's also an informal letter. 250 Circular Road, Dehradun, 2 March 2011. Salutation, my dear uncle. Now, body of the letter. It is always a pleasure heard from you. Heard is an error. It is a wrong word. In place of it, pleasure to hear from you. So to hear is a correct answer. Last Friday was my 16th birth anniversary. Your gift of a book pleased me much. It is really far good with your blessings. Far good, far is wrong word here. In place of it, very good. It is really very good. In question number B, it is really very good with your blessings. Thank you very much for being so thoughtful. I have not yet read the question number C, full book. Full book, not entire book, is the correct answer. Full is an error. It is not suitable. Next, but it is highly useful and entertaining. Nobody teaches us these things nowadays. Nowadays, not these days. Error is now and correction is these. These days in question number D. Yet these are the things that question number E, mattering the most. Mattering is an error and matter is the correct answer. These are the things that matter the most. These are our moral values. These are question number F, for the essential parts of our culture. So actually for the essential parts is not correct. The correct answer would be the essential part. For is unnecessary. So these are the essential part of our culture. The book could remain a great asset to me all my life. Modal auxiliary verb could is wrong. In place of it, will should take place. The book will remain a great asset to me all my life. I thank you once again for the kind gift. Yours affectionate, not affectionately. In question number H, in place of affectionate, it will be affectionately. And this is the end of question number 32. Thank you for watching editing or common errors. Thank you for watching Reliable World.